Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you about tomatoes and pruning them. Basically we prune them to get as good a crop as you possibly can, and also to prevent disease. There's two types of tomatoes, there's indeterminate and determinate. Determinate tomatoes are the sort of like bush tomatoes which sort of grow about 4 foot high. Don't really need a lot of pruning. Now indeterminate tomatoes, from what I've read, can grow up to about 12 foot tall. Our ones won't be growing that high, but they carry on going until basically the first frost. So I'm just going to show you how we prune them. This is the first year we've done this variety. It's tomato sweeties, and another variety is super sweets, both cherry tomatoes. So let's have a quick look and I'll show you how we carry on. As you can see, we've already taken off a lot of the lower, I was going to say branches then, they're not really branches are they? These stems, just to sort of keep all the leaves off of the away from the ground to prevent disease. They do need filling out a little bit more, but we won't attack them too much. These ones are growing directly in the ground. This is Tina's, where the old washing line used to run. They're filling out quite nicely. So I can do this side because it's raised up and I can get the wheelchair in close and do this side. I could do the other side, but it means getting on the floor and pulling myself about, so Tina tends to do that side. When it comes to actually pruning, what you want to be looking for is, well, you have the stem comes up here, and you have another stem comes off here, and you get one, it comes out of the middle. This is the sucker. What you want to do is take the sucker out. Now when they're small like that, you can just pinch them out and that's it. But I've noticed on some of them, this one up here, this one here for example, move these out of the way, there's the sucker, but that's a little bit big. I shall come along and just nip those out. I mean, I'll probably do that with my fingers. Yeah, just nip it out with your fingernails. Any bigger than that, then I'll just do it with the secateurs. And that's basically it. I'll go through and thin them out, and we shall enjoy a good crop of tomatoes. You see some growing there. And yeah, so we're looking forward to that. Next year we'll probably do the same variety and probably do a few more different varieties too. These are also quite good for growing tomatoes. They're called grow bag halos, plant halos. We have some in the grow bag there which we started off quite a while ago, but they seem to be suffering a little bit because you can't really plant them deep enough, so the leaves are all going a little bit. But with the halos, you actually plant the tomato in the centre of the halo, and the roots grow down into the grow bag, and then after 14 days you start putting water in the outside ring, and that keeps them watered. So good little tip if you want to be growing tomatoes on a patio. So we try them this year, and if we get good results with them we'll probably get some more, because it's quite handy just having them along the edge of the patio. So these ones are looking a bit sorry for themselves. They're kept well watered and well fed. So that's it for tomatoes. Be interesting to see what sort of crop we get when they all turn red. I keep saying stop it. Hope you find this video interesting and you learn something. We always learn something new every day. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and keep up to date with what we're doing on the urban farm. So from the Paraplegic Gardener, bye for now.